السلام عليكم. اليوم حنفتح 500 كيس مع الدب انومالي والحمار سامز.
I just realized this one. Is this how they do? They put the foreskin? So we're in Malta today. We're opening 500 Phoenix cases. And Rad is actually here in real life. He's not AI. I can touch him. And Sams is also here.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Sam's mom. But before that, I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, which is Skinport. Now, if you don't know, Skinport is a CS2 marketplace, meaning you can safely buy and sell your skins for real money. And there are no buying fees. So, for example, if you wanted to buy this butterfly freehand, it would be 723 euro. Meanwhile, on Steam, it would be over 1,200 euro. And they probably have the skin you're looking for because they have over 1.8 million skins listed right now. So if you want to try out Skinport to buy and sell skins, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, Skinport, for sponsoring this video. The reason we've chosen Phoenix is because it's a very good case. You have the old school knives, so technically we could open the world's most expensive knife, the 387 Karambit case hardhand, $2 million knife. We could also open legendary knives like Karambit Crimson Web Factory New, like Herad has. Yeah. But we could actually get the good pattern.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, dude, I have so diarrhea, I feel like, actually.
No, for fuck.
Power of friendship on the...
Bro, what do you eat?
First case, power of friendship, a threesome on the mouse.
No, okay, I'm not. No. Our tips will not touch. Hey!
Knife first case, if it isn't, I'm killing myself.
All purple pattern, but this is off to a great start. No, it's a knife for real.
Do you know how rare it is seeing two next to each other like that? Oh no! No, this is so bad!
At least you can make Rad's craft on this.
This craft has made it to so many videos and memes, and little do they know it was Rad's craft. He made this one.
On her gooch, please.
Negative terrain.
What do you call me?
My negative.
Yahi, give us a knife, man!
We're 20 cases in.
Oh!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Halla habibi! Oh, I smell so sweaty. Is it you? 23 euros. So Sam's bought Rad a gift, which has a very interesting name.
It's literally him.
I need to fart a little. Wait, a small one.
No, we gotta go for it. We gotta go for it.
I told you my tummy hurt.
Oh shit, bro. Fucking pause the recording, bro.
Why would you ruin the video? Now we can't even sit and watch what you're doing. Are you still opening?
Yeah?
What?
How does a fart do this? Put these up your ass, bro.
Oh, full purple mag. Full purple mag. Oh, dude, I need to fart. Kidding. I'm kidding, guys. That's genuine fear. Oh, 800 pulses. Something my grandma does not have. She has dead. Linda, do you want to open the case?
Yes.
Oi! Feel tested. Thank you, Linda. Goodbye.
Rad on TikTok.
No, I was listening to a voice note.
Was it Bin Laden?
It's just a negative.
No way! Field tested again. 2 euro! It doesn't even pay for the case. Or the key. Me on a trip to Thailand. I am the woman. Oh, Star Trek Mac 10 Heat.
I think this is worth more than the chameleon.
There's no way.
Shit, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to learn Swedish.
That's Arabic.
Exactly.
Do. Homer Simpson when he doesn't get a donut.
White people, am I right?
Does he not look the exact same shade as us?
We are not the same shade. Yeah, but we are not the same shade.
This is like when they do the, you know, well done medium.
Swig for swig.
Okay, let's go swig for... But wait, how?
You go first.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
Why you sound like my lawnmower trying to start?
Me on my phone, Googling old woman breast in Malta? Old woman in my area.
Wants hot sex.
Oh my fucking... Why is it warm? I'm a stinky boy. My friends are forcing me to shit because my farts smell so bad, so we'll be right back. Hello! Now we're back, and I just had 2 big shits, and then we ate McDonald's, so it's been a while. I just asked for some chewing gum, and he just swallowed both the chewing gum. I guess that's Arab customs.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Flashbang out.
Ah!
I'm just gonna have this. Look, it's just my Oi! Trigon! I just have this ponytail sticking out.
whoa.
Battle scarred.
Like your asshole.
Please fucking hide your...
Hey! Back-to-back pinks! Wait, factor new, that might be 42 euro. I hope you open a knife, Rad, because then it will be a haram bit.
Oh, you meant...
Why are we getting so many pinks? Wait, look him. Field tested. What? Why are we getting so many pinks?
Because it's preparing us for the gold. Right now, gold,
Why
watch,
do you look
knife.
so horrid right now?
MF's in World War I. Nah, I'm good. 387.
Just start screaming random numbers. 482 835 628.
911. Hey, when we play Fortnite, look. Yeah.
What? Top 10 worst bars ever.
Nightmare blunt rotation.
When your boy in front of the hose says he can...
Yeah, when I shoot my Glock, it go bling blow. I've got 2, but Rad's only got 1. Eyebrow.
Right, this is actually ridiculous. What if you don't get a knife?
I kill myself. Name the skin challenge. Loser gets peed in the face.
Like fucking Boomich's wife. Hey!
Hey! AK Redline. About 4 people watching this video understood that reference.
We are not getting anything good in these cases.
You guys are just being so negative.
Oh my... Why no Asimov, man?
We were like, yeah, of course we're gonna get hella Asimovs. It's no problem, bro. There was a problem, bro. Yes! We got it! It's not a black Imov, but hey, let's see. It's battle.
How is that battle scar?
So, okay, this is like 130 euro. 91, okay, it's a little less. Still, that is by far the best unbox we've gotten, and we got an Asimov.
Yep. We just need a knife now.
Well, another Asimov wouldn't hurt. Okay. Wait, stack track. Field test done.
Oh, that's money. That's money.
52 euro.
No, I'm good.
Knife. We are
Sand
close.
pattern.
Yeah, that's you. God is human sand pattern.
And your human fat pattern.
Yep, couldn't have seen that one coming.
It's blocked. I was gonna quick roll it, but
It's a sign.
No way! Battles go. What? History repeats itself.
No!
Another 90. Okay, pretty good.
Making it back.
I told you, it blocked it for a reason.
Third time's a charm.
Oh!
It's happening. We're making it out the hood with this one. It's Battles
This
good again.
looks... No. Listen, let's discuss this, chat.
Chat. Who's chat?
The voice is in his head.
Me trying to sleep. Ah, thank you for the fucking 5 gifted, bro. Lol.
I have a pain in my head.
You're having just a stroke. Shout out my grandma. You have a blood clot.
Bro, you quick rolled an Asimov.
I did.
No one's done that for millennia. Okay, can I give you €2 and you open a case and whatever's in it is mine?
Alright. The case is 3 euro. You have 5 and you can get the full case.
Make it 4. I just gave you €20, I get 4
Yeah,
cases.
4 cases. 1. Yes. Case number 3.
It's gonna be only terrain.
Please, negative terrain.
Negative terrain, I'd laugh my ass off.
Almost. Thank you, Sams.
You just summon your goats.
No way, I'm just opening
God.
sand. Wait.
God, there have been 4
Yeah,
sand.
no, let's see, we get a streak.
Oh,
Black him off!
Actually,
wait. No, almost. No, it's so close. 8-6. Bro, that's kind of
God.
close. Wait, let me see.
Silver scope, bro. This is even rarer.
Okay, last case. Let's say 500th case,
Last
gentlemen.
case. Oh my.
Well, that didn't really go well, and now it's kind of late, so we'll be back tomorrow with some more cases. Yippee! Hello guys! Today is tomorrow and we are back with more Phoenix cases. I wanted to open 300 more, but Valve said no. When I tried to sell my skins, I ended up with all my balance pending, and now I've sold almost all my skins.
First case knife and then we end the video. That's it.
God, I got you a gift, by the way.
Really?
A hoodie. It's from your hometown. Kabul, Afghanistan.
Me and who? Klaus Schwab.
Take a big swig.
What's now?
Look me in the face. He's still going.
I'm sorry. Oh my fucking.
Oh.
Look my mask. Shalom. Hey! Field tested? Yes, sir. Okay, this is the first good pull we have today. Yeah, bitch. Ah!
Take a big swig.
Why is Klaus Schwab naked?
Scrape that shit, Johnny. There you go.
Oh! It worked! I scraped it! That's the bad red though.
Keep scraping.
Please, Klaus Schwab, give me luck. Fuck.
Have you been banned?
I think we hit the spending limit.
How much is the spending?
$2,000.
And not 1 gold.
Try less than 20.
Come on, Klaus Schwab. The last 16, give me a goal. My boner pills. I got a boner!
Pushing 45, by the way.
Pushing planes into buildings. This is a knife. Okay, or an Asimov. Battles.
Bro, there's no way we got 5 battle-scarred Asimovs, bro.
How is that legal? Hello, gentlemen. We waited half an hour and now it seems to work, so we can end this god-awful video because we haven't gotten jack shit.
Nothing.
5 battle-scarred op Asimovs. I'm never again in my life opening Phoenix cases. It just doesn't make sense. We are legit down 2,000 euro. Also, we have to take the rental car back in now, but we're opening cases instead. As any responsible adult should.
That is true.
So about that rental.
I see the gold.
Me in the retirement home when I'm 78 to the nurse just, I see the gold! And she's like, don't touch me, you old creep!
Bro, not a single knife is crazy.
I feel like furious now, just on the 1700 dry streak.
And Turkish.
Oh! Yes! 387! No! Ah! We still got the... We still got the gold! Okay!
Can you stop, please? Off camera, he fingered my ass.
No, there's no
Off
proof.
camera, he fingered my ass.
Yo!
If it's factory new, it's really rare.
Mate, you can see the scratch.
You think this is factory?
The delusion's kicking in. It's minimal wear. I thought it was field tested.
It's been a more.
Bro, I told you it was a good idea to keep going. Never stop digging! Back to back.
Back to back.
1 in 165,000 chance. 3, 2, 1. Wapham.
We need the gold, bro.
Least degenerate case opener. 3 cases ago we got the gold. Bro, we need the gold, man.
Take a big swig. Klaus Schwab. Okay, you think it's not funny? JFK be like...
Ew! We got the gold. It wasn't the 387 Phoenix case. You have redeemed yourself. We didn't even check how much it is. 400 euro. Wait, that's like okay. With the Asimovs, we're only down like half. Last case of friendship. What? Bam!
All over my hand.
Hey!
Antique?
Ending on a good note. Thank you for watching, guys. Rad was here as well.
Assalamu alaikum.
In real life. Now, unfortunately, he's being deported back. Next time, we'll go visit Rad in Aleppo.